The Amazon rainforest, spanning over 5.5 million square kilometers across 9 countries, is home to approximately 390 billion individual trees from over 16,000 species. This dense forest is incredibly diverse, housing 10% of the world's known wildlife species and a quarter of all species on Earth. It produces 20% of the world's oxygen, earning it the nickname, the lungs of the planet. This vibrant ecosystem also plays a crucial role in carbon dioxide absorption, helping to mitigate global climate change. 84 words.